Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with another wig review. Obviously, I have some of my hair out because I'm going to be reviewing a half wig. This wig is by Model. It is a drawstring full cap wig, and her name is Shandy, and I have her in the color 1B, and that's what she looks like. And she says that she has the protective style, or it's the protective style, to prevent hair damage. I guess like when you use the comb up front, because these half wigs can kind of damage your hair if you wear them, you know, on a consistent basis or whatever. She's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. And again, you can wear her as a full wig or a half wig, like here. But this is what I'm going to try to achieve today. Okay, so I had a wash day, and I've conditioned and braided up and everything, and then this was the result. I wasn't planning on doing a half wig. I actually wear full wigs and lace fronts as protective styles, but this was one of the wigs that I picked up in my big wig haul at the beginning of last year, so I'm just trying to get through them. I probably should have done a twist instead of a braid, because I probably would have got a better pattern to coincide with the wig. So here she is. Let me take the lace off so you can see her. This is the pattern. Really, really pretty. It's a nice sort of twist. It's like if you did a 2-strand twist, mini, you know, really skinny ones, this would be the result. And I'm hoping you could see it in the camera. But yeah, she's really cute. Take out the paper. And it's just a standard wig cap construction for a half wig. You get the long comb in the front, and these are packaging tabs. I need to take those out. A little plastic. But yeah, she's got the long comb in the front, and then she has the 2 plastic combs here in the back. No adjustable strap. But she should have, yeah, I was going to say a drawstring, and there it is right there, the drawstring. So, yep, I'm definitely not going to wear it as a ponytail. I rarely do that with half wigs. If I want a ponytail, I'll just buy one or make one. Okie doke, so that's it pretty much as far as the construction. So we're going to put her on and see what we can do. Okie doke. Because I'm not one of those who likes to do a whole lot. I just like to kind of pop and go. I did have on a black wig cap to, I guess, protect the rest of my hair in the back. I'm going to pull her as far front as I can get it. And I mean, it's big head friendly. It's not a small cap. It's not a, you know, a big cap either, especially with the drawstring. But I kind of want to have it as far front as possible so it can look as natural as possible, since my with the braid out, the texture is going to be a little bit different than the wig. So we're going to see how it works. So I'm pulling it as far front as I can get it, and there we go. I'm going to find the comb. There we go. Now this isn't something I'll do every day because of that comb in the front. Let me get the combs in the back end. And then I'm going to tighten up just a little bit on that drawstring. There we go. Okay. Alright. I guess I can find a... need a rat tail, something to pull my hair out here in the front. There we go. And then I had that part too, so you'll see how that works. Okay. Okay, well, I mean, it's not bad so far. It's really cute. I love the pattern of it. And the reason why I actually ordered this one was because I went to a beauty supply here, and one of the girls that works there had this on, and it looked so stunning on her. It was beautiful. I was like, oh, where's that one? And she had bought the last one in a 1B. and all they had were colors, and so I'm like, well, I'll just find it online and order it. So I looked for it. Ooh, it's caught on that comb. I looked for it on Sam's when I was getting these wigs, and I got 2 of them. I got this one, and then I got it in a 4 because my natural hair color is usually between a 2 and a 4, and they didn't have the 2, so I got the 4. But I have a little bit of color in my hair now to cover up those grays around the front. Because I'm getting gray in the front a little bit. And so sometimes I don't like the way it looks under my lace fronts, you know, because the way my hairline grows, it grows out. So I just touch up my edges with a little bit of color. So yeah, okay. But anyway, yeah, it looked really pretty on her. So I had to get it, and I loved it. I love, love, love this wig. So here we are. Just kind of, that's it really. I really don't want to put any gel or anything. I just kind of like how it's just blending in my hair. There we go. So it's not bad, I guess. But like I said, if I had done a 2-strand twist instead of just a braid, it probably would look a whole lot better. But it's not bad like this. Uh-oh. Okay. I might wear this for a couple days. Like I said, this isn't something I'll do every day because it's a half wig. Because I don't like to leave my hair out too much. And I mean, my hair is like really long. It's almost bra length, but I have a lot of shrinkage. I don't know. Here, let me pull some out. Rarely do you get to see that, but this is my length here in the front. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, with some glitter. I swear up here in this craft room. Okay, but yeah, it's getting there. That's just a little piece, but in the back, it's like really, really long. I'm just trying to get to a certain point, and then I'm gonna, and while it's cool, I probably do need to just kind of wear it out because it's not hot outside, and I can kind of get more wear out of a, you know, wear out of a style or whatever, my natural, but we'll see. But yeah, that's it really, y'all. I don't have to do too much. Just kind of finger blend mine in the front, and that's it. Let's see. Well, I guess I'll use this one. Use my little eyebrow brush and kind of do the babies. And there we go. It's kind of cute, y'all. Okay. There we go. All right, y'all. That is it. So let me make sure I have any tracks showing right there. But yeah, I like this. This is fun. What y'all think about this one? All right. So let me give you the 360. This is the left side. My left side. And the back. And it's a nice length. And the right side. And the front. So yeah, I like this. This is cute. Like I said, I wish you could have, I should have took a picture of her. I wish you could have seen it on the girl that worked in the beauty supply. It looks so pretty. I don't know what she did to her hair, but it looks so pretty on her. But I don't think I did a bad job either. Okay. But yeah, it's really cute. So, yep. It's pretty easy. I guess if you prepare your hair for it in the front, you know, do a, you know, 2-strand twist, you know, make small twists in the front. And then, you know, once you put the wig on, kind of blend it out or whatever. So yeah, that's going to do it. So this is Model Model's full cap drawstring wig. It is a protective style, that's what it says, to prevent hair damage. And her name is Shandy. So there she is, and see right here it says protective style. So yeah, again, I picked her up from Sam's Beauty. And if I can remember, I'll put the link down below, because I'm pretty sure they still have her, because I've actually seen it here recently. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. So until my next wig review or video, I'll see you then. Bye y'all.